Before I continue discussing the markets, please take this moment now with helping me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe. Click this bell. Click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Next, click the thumbs up button every time you watch my videos. Okay, let's continue with the view of the markets. Hello there, it's 11:55 a.m. New York time. Going to discuss the equity markets, the equity indexes. Looking here at 15-minute charts, including the intraday. We're looking at the equity futures. First, the S&P 500 futures /ES. How do you know these are future symbols? They start with a /. So here on the ES, on the 15-minute, this is the overnight. And we're still trading below the overnight. The overnight high was here. We have not taken it out. We did retest near the lows or at the lows of overnight. Rejected them and went higher. The NASDAQ 100 /November Quebec phonetic alphabet. The overnight highs were here and we've taken them out already. The overnight lows were here. We did retest them, similar to the S&P 500. Reject them and turn around. The Dow Jones Industrial Average overnights here. We have not taken them out. Overnight's lows here. We did go lower. We're building consolidation just near the low of overnight. Big divergency from the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. Again, the S&P 500 index also includes the NASDAQ 100 and the Dow Jones are indexes inside the bigger index. So we have a divergency of these three indexes. Only one took out the high overnight. One is inside the range of overnight, and one is trading near or at below the low of overnight. Here, the Russell 2000 futures /Romeo Tango Yankee. We did not take out the overnight here. Here is the overnight low. We took it out and we're trading below it. Let's go up to the higher time frame. Look at the 1 hour on the cash index. First, the cash index, Sierra Papa X-ray, S&P 500 cash index. On the hourly, we're trading higher than yesterday. Let's actually just look at this week. We're trading higher than Monday and yesterday, and we're struggling right now for that current hour candles, not done yet. Just struggling on 3,700. Where the NASDAQ is doing well. It's getting higher. The Dow Jones average is inside the range from Monday and Tuesday. The Russell 2000 is in a consolidation phase, made a new high for the week, and now trading near the low of it, building consolidation there. Two inside candles back to back, indecision. So the leader here right now is the NASDAQ 100, where we may have a divergency and sell off soon, maybe before the end of the day. Look at that, the Dow Jones inside candle, struggling down here, causing partial weakness in the S&P 500 because it's one of the indexes in that. The Dow Transports, this index also is inside the S&P 500. Here's the high of Monday. The low was yesterday, Tuesday, so we're consolidating. So it's struggling, holding down the S&P 500. And the Dow Utilities, this index also is inside the S&P 500. For the high of the week, we made it at the beginning of the morning, and now we broke down, going lower, moving fast down. You see it? So it's also bringing this down. So it's just the NASDAQ 100 that's holding us up. Remember, some of these, or I say the biggest stocks in the NASDAQ 100 that weigh the most, Apple, Microsoft. Apple's also in the Dow, and also in the Microsoft's also in the Dow. Let's go to the faster time frame, the daily. Sorry, the slower time frame, or the higher time frame. So we're looking at 1 month daily candles. The S&P 500 cash index is not at an all-time high. This is the all-time high. It is trending. Momentum's up. Higher high, higher lows. Coming into that retest of this all-time high. Where the NASDAQ 100 for the day already made an all-time high. Took out this swing high. And it's been trending higher. Notice there's a gap here that may get filled. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, not so good. It's not trending. It's in a consolidation phase. Today and yesterday, inside candles. Inside candles mean a high and low do not go above or below the prior candle. It means indecision. It's struggling. The Russell 2000 momentum's to the upside. Made a higher high, higher low. Really small trading range today, as most of them made small trading ranges. Shows that less money is going to fewer stocks. Or less buying is going to fewer stocks. Dow Jones Transports, right for the day. It's in a consolidation, way off its highs. Struggling below that big round number, 1250. Dow Utilities, also red for the day. Made a higher high, higher low. It's above this consolidation. May say reversal, see what happens with the interest rates. Because, they can trade in reverse. So if the government decides to raise interest rates, people typically don't want to be in dividend paying stocks. They'd rather be in the fixed incomes of bonds if they're going to be paying or get a better return, more safety than stocks that pay dividends. So huge effect interest rates have. Also on the Russell 2000, huge effect. Higher interest rates hurt them much more than the big companies. Disadvantage. Let's go up to the weekly time frame. Each of these candles is a week, and since it's Wednesday, it's not over yet. So for the S&P 500 cash index, from the low of the year to here now. For the week, inside candle indecision. Very interesting in this area. See if that changes color, red or green, by the end of the week, or if it reverses, break above or below the prior week. Trade out there. NASDAQ 100, all-time high for the week, trending higher outside this consolidation area. Dow Jones, small trading range for the week. Maybe smart money, maybe doing distribution, struggling around here, inside consolidation. So it's not trending, it's building consolidation. The NASDAQ 100 is trending higher high, higher low. And right now, the S&P 500 is also in consolidation. Let's look at the Russell 2000. Super strong trending, way above this consolidation. The strongest trending of all these right now, the Russell 2000, all-time high for the year. So you have the NASDAQ this week, and the Russell 2000 made all-time highs this week. Also the Dow Jones, I think, right? Yep. Let's look at the Dow Transports. Back inside consolidation. Dow Utilities. And that is the all-time high there for the Dow Transports. That was the last week. Looking at the Dow Utilities, all-time high was at the beginning of the year. We're in a consolidation and we're back near the bottom of it. This looks like a doji there, and some people consider that location of it as a reversal, and it did make a reversal today, higher high, sorry, this week, higher high, higher low. So we'll see what happens this week. At the end of it, if this closes above the prior week's body as well as the high, we could consider that a reversal. And let's finish off looking at the FANG stocks. We'll go from the daily. The three largest stocks that weigh the most in the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500. Apple. How's it doing for the day? Inside candle indecision. Microsoft, it's up strong. Again, this is in the Dow, the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500 making a huge up move. Amazon, also green for the day, up move, where Apple's struggling. Facebook, green for the day, higher high, higher low. Google, red for the day. Tesla, red for the day. November Victor, Delta Alpha, inside candle indecision. Netflix, green for the day. Bravo Alpha, green for the day. So the strongest looking here is Microsoft and Amazon pushing higher than NASDAQ 100. Let's go to the faster time, the slower time frame on the weekly. Yes, it's Wednesday. Let's just see how these are performing for the year. Here's Apple all-time high right there for the year, and we're not in it. And we're just shy, or we're just slightly above this consolidation range for Apple, but it's not at the all-time high. That was the all-time high there. Microsoft, the all-time high was there. We are not in it, but we're above this consolidation area. Amazon, all-time high was there, and we are not. We are still in a consolidation phase, much weaker than the other ones. Facebook, all-time high was there, and we're in this consolidation, struggling. Maybe smart money doing distribution. What does that mean? That means the institutions, the ones that manage other people's money, because people don't want to take responsibility of manage their own money. They want to outsource it and pay fees, have lower probability of success because those people could do, or you could do equal or better than them. Google, inside candle, indecision for the week. Tesla, trending, inside candle for the week, but it's in a trending phase, much better than some of these other ones. November, Victor, Delta Alpha, inside candle, indecision, in consolidation. Netflix, green for the week, inside consolidation. Bravo Alpha, way off its highs, inside consolidation. You're better informed than most people are. Good job out of you. Hopefully click the subscribe below. Thank you. If you like this market information I've shared and want to learn more with greater detail, step-by-step training, I have a Patreon page. I share trade ideas for earning monthly income. Below in the description box, click show more. Scroll down. This link here, click on it. Take you here to my Patreon page. Select the membership and join. Then you have access to unlock my posts.